Alright y'all, so we got a beautiful 73 Electra deuce and a quarter. This thing is super clean. So I'm gonna just start from the front. Paint, I'm gonna get this like a 9.5. It's a brand new paint job. It looks beautiful. The blue looks crazy. And I didn't see any like dents or scratches as I went around it. So we also got a brand new set of 20-inch chromes with blue line bows to match. And as we move down the body, again, it is almost flawless. Trim on it looks beautiful. You see, got that brand new white trim going down the sides. Skirts are intact. As we look down this passenger side, no waves or dents. Also has a new top on it. Vinyl top looks beautiful as well. Rear window's good, no cracks. As we come around the trunk, you guys can really see how beautiful this paint is. Like I said, very minimal imperfections. Trunk appears to be aligned properly, not rubbing on any corners or anything like that. Bumper looks good, no rust, no dents. She appears to be pretty straight. Got a little tiny bit of pitting starting right here. Kind of normal for those parts because water can kind of sit there before it runs off. Looking down the driver's side, she appears to be pretty straight again. No waves, no dents there. The driver's side matches the passenger side as far as the new trim. This door is open. I don't want you to think it's not aligned. There we go. And again, top looks beautiful. Front windshield is solid. No cracks, no rock chips. Looking down the hood, again, super clean. Bumper looks nice and straight. Impact strips intact. Nothing there. Let me see. I didn't even check to see if the keys were in here. Lucky me, they are. You guys get a preview of the interior. That's all brand new as well. Very nice and clean under here. What is it, the 455 if I'm not mistaken? 455, power brakes, power steering. AC blows cold. Looks like it's got a new master cylinder and booster. Very clean underneath. Let's go ahead, pump the trunk. Got a couple keys on here. See if I get it right on the first one. Yep. There's your trunk. Nice and clean, carpeted, ready for your sounds or whatever else you want to put in here. But beautiful trunk, and that paint carries on underneath as well. Let's do the passenger side first. It's gonna be a super quick review on the interior because mostly everything is new. Seats are brand new, as well as your door panels. So that white looks beautiful. No stains, no rips, no tears. Windows are power operated. They do work. You will see later. Carpet looks great. Appears to be original, but still in great condition. And there's your passenger door. Jambs look nice and solid. They've been painted as well. And then there's your dash. No cracks, no warping. So we're gonna go ahead and get over to the driver's side. Driver side panel, again, beautiful condition. There's your rear seat on the driver's. Again, everything is new, so nothing to point out there. We got a black headliner, no sagging, and there's your rest of your dash. Mileage reads man, I can't even, 80,650. So stay tuned. We'll go ahead and knock out this. All right, let's get on this test drive on this 73. And you see she fires right up. AC does blow ice cold. It only blows from the bottom, from that bottom vent right there. So these vents, I don't believe they're connected at all in the dash, maybe when they redid the interior, but it does blow ice cold. It's just from that vent, not up here. Go ahead and turn that off. Lights are on. You can see them in the dash and off the other car. Wipers work. Horn works. Radio works. Nice. Windows good. Windows good. Let's roll that back down. Let's see. Left turn signal, right turn signal, solid. Should be it. Let's go ahead and get this drive. Speedometer is coming up. We did put gas in, shows 3/4 of a tank. I'm gonna keep going. So far smooth. Definitely sounds nice and quiet, sounds smooth. Speedometer is up. Brakes feel good. Not on them too hard by any means at all. Let's see. Alignment, let me see. I think it's off a little bit. I'm wait till I get by this forklift. Alright. Hands off the wheel. She's actually tracking straight, but the wheel is not centered. So a little bit of play, about what you expect though from a 70s vehicle. Again, brakes feel solid, no issues there. No weird sounds coming from the suspensions. None of the belts are squealing or anything. Let's give it some throttle. I don't hear the windows rattling in the doors either. I got them all the way down, so that's a plus. Doing about 45 now. No shaking or rattling. Of course, new tires, they feel good. And brakes are nice and firm again. Let me see. And the shifts have been smooth with the trans, so nothing that I can really point out. I didn't hear anything weird, so we're gonna get back and we'll go ahead and take a look underneath. All right, so we got the 73 on the rack. Again, rear bumper looks solid, no rust or anything. Underneath looks beautiful. You can tell the car has been coated. No signs of leak from the gas tank. Frame extensions and trunk pan look good. Drums in the rear, new brake lines moving down the passenger side. Frame looks nice and straight. Pans look beautiful, no soft spots and no rust. Coming down the driver's side, more of the same. No soft spots, no rust, no patchwork at all. Off the test drive, no leaks from the oil or trans fan. Disc brakes up in the front, those calipers are new, you can tell. And no signs of leak from anywhere else. So super clean underneath. Again, front bumper is nice and straight. No rusts, no dents. Coming around here. Again, wheels are new at all for us. We won't point that out again. Underneath looks solid. Frame and body looks good. No signs of rust, no bubbling. And no waves in this rear quarter panel. Getting on over here to the driver's side. Same thing, she looks almost flawless underneath. Nice and straight, just the way you expect. All right, if you guys are interested in this deuce, make sure you give us a call at 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, we appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.